Welcome back guys, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and in this video I have a very special video for you guys. I have a video that can potentially change your trading career or really accelerate it. I can pretty much guarantee, and I don't give much guarantees because I don't really believe that everything is guaranteed, but I can pretty much guarantee that you will improve if you follow these 6 steps in trading, and there's a very high probability that you will become profitable if you follow these 6 steps to become successful in trading. Now, I don't see anyone post these types of videos, and if they are posting these types of videos, they are they're trying to sell you something. So they'll tell you, oh, you follow these steps, you can find more information in my course, and that's not really helpful for you guys because they can't prove what's in their course and you don't know. But I'm going to give you the 6 realistic steps, real steps that will actually help improve your trading and can drastically change it. So these are the 6 steps to become a successful trader and how to do it, and I recommend you guys watch this full video in order to learn. And even if you know how to trade, you need to watch this to understand what are the steps. And I really wish I had a video like this when I first started trading, because if I had a video like this and I followed these steps, the journey would be a lot shorter and I would be in a better position and learn this skill faster. So in this video we're going to talk about the 6 steps to become successful in trading, and the best part of this video is that every single step I have a video on my channel that will match to that step, so you guys can go and learn for free. So that being said, let's get into step number 1. So guys, as always, support the YouTube algorithm and help me by leaving a like and subscribe if you're new. There's plenty of content on this channel. I try my best to give the best information and value possible to you guys so that you guys can improve in trading, and I would really appreciate it to show that you guys are liking my content by leaving a like or a comment. That really does help, and subscribing if you're new. I read all the comments, and if you want to chat to me more directly, you can join me in one of my groups down below. You can join there in the group, send your charts, be active, ask questions. There are lots of people there to help you and will reply to you. So that being said, let's get into step number 1. So step number 1, gonna probably pop it on the screen somewhere here, is gonna be to learn the basics properly. So you have to learn the basics in terms of learning what are the basics in trading. Since I promote price action and that's the way I trade, you have to learn about what are the candles, pairs, trend. Once you learn these basics, some great sources to learn these basics is Baby Pips. No need to do the full thing. Once they get into moving averages and all of this stuff, leave it. Just learn the basics of what is a pair, what is a forex session, these are the real basic stuffs. Then from there you can go on to learn trend, price action. You can go on to learn what is candlesticks, what is candlesticks closures, what is bodies, what is wicks. And the best thing is, on my channel I have a video part 1, 2 and 3 of the beginner guide to trading, so you guys can check that out if you want to learn the basics. Once you learn the basics, that's a very simple step and will take you about a couple of weeks, or you could even finish it in a day if you want to. Now that takes us on to step number 2. So step number 2 is very important, right? Step number 2 is stick to one style of trading. I can't emphasize this enough. I see a lot of people out there on the internet. One day they're trading this style, the next day they're trading this style. One person's trying to sell you, if you trade like this, you trade like the banks, and that sounds the best. But in reality, trading should be to make the profits in the easiest way possible. That's why we trade. Why would you make your life even harder, right? So stick to one proven style. Make sure that they've shown you on their channel or wherever that this style works. I have multiple videos on my channel showing me backtesting my price action strategy. I have plenty of videos showing you how I go through it and what is my win rate, what is my win rate average, and what setups I take. So make sure you follow a proven style that is proven to be profitable. So once you find that style, you have to learn it and stick to it. Don't be changing, even if it doesn't work. If it's proven, it does work. It's just your user error. So make sure to stick to that style and improve on it. Then that will take you to step number 3. So once you've learned that skill, you've watched videos, I have a full price action guide, which I'll link, as I said, every single step here. I have a video to accompany it, so you guys don't have to go searching and get confused. This is a very straightforward and a very important video, so you can watch that and learn that. The next step, and this is a very important step, I don't understand why people don't do it, is you need to make a trading plan. What is a trading plan? Well, in simple form, a trading plan is exactly what you're going to do when you reach the markets, right? So when you go to the markets, I'm going to wake up, I'm going to analyze the charts, I'm going to look for possible setups, and this is the exact setups I'm going to look for. You have to have your exact setups you're going to look for, and they have to be tested. So again, I have a video explaining exactly how to make a trading plan, and on top of that, I have a free template for a trading plan in my Discord channel, so you can also check that out and use that template to help you guys make a trading plan. Once you make your trading plan, you're halfway there and you're almost ready. The next step is going to be an important one. So step number 4 is probably the most important step of this whole process. Once you've finished all of that, you're going to back test your trading plan. You can see all the videos on my channel of me showing you how to back test. You're going to back test, and on an Excel sheet, I also have this Excel sheet in my Discord, you're going to record what information are you getting from your trade. So if you take this setup, let's take something very, very simple. Let's say a 15-minute candle closing above a range. You take that setup, every time you see it, you press enter, you record, does the trade win or does the trade lose? If the trade wins, you put win. If the trade loss, you put loss. And at the end, once you've back tested 50, 60 times, you realize, oh, this setup has an 80% win rate. So I know 80% of the time, if I follow these conditions, if I follow my plan, I should be profitable. And if you know this, then you will be able to be a successful trader, because you know that your plan is solid. When you're beginning, you'll see that your plan might not always work. You might have less than a 50% win rate. And that's the time where you have to make adjustments. That's where you have a community. You ask people, listen, it's not working. Maybe there's a fault in your psychology. Maybe there's a fault in your execution. Maybe your markup is not good. And these are where all the factors. So on paper, it sounds easy. Make a plan, backtest it. If it works, you're profitable. But to make that trading style and to make that plan a very effective plan will take time. And this is where your work as a trader has to be done, right? And this is where people think that trading is very, very easy. But this is where the work is done. But once you get that plan done and you have at least a 60% win rate is enough to be profitable. If your wins are bigger than your losses, even a 50% win rate is enough to be profitable. You can only improve from there, and then your trading journey can start and you can become a better and better trader. So I can't emphasize how important it is to back test your plan. Now, going on to step number 5. So step number 5 is either open a demo account, or if you know you're going to treat a demo account without any emotions, open like $100 account or a $50 account, whatever the minimum deposit is. Deposit that minimum amount and risk $1 per trade. Pop a 0.01 lot, or pop a 0.1 if you actually want to feel how it feels to lose, and practice your trading. Put money in, or if you really don't want to put any money in, go on a demo account and try your plan. You're backtesting your data, and go a month on a demo account and see how it works. See if you're profitable, see if you're making profits, see if things are going well. If that's the case, then you can start depositing more money into your account, upping the risk, and from there it's only up. And from there you start to become a profitable trader, and you realize that if you followed these steps from the very beginning, it would have been a lot easier. So step number 6, this is the best step out of all the steps, because this is the one that you most look forward to, is profit. Finally, step number 6 is going to be, once you find an effective trading plan and you execute all of the other 5 steps, step number 6 is going to look to profit on your trades and increase risk. What you're going to do is, as you get better, you'll be able to risk more, and when you risk more, you'll be able to make more money, which is, I assume, is most people's goal when they start trading, right? So yes, it is a journey before you do it, but once you complete these steps, it should put you on the right path to be able to either improve as a trader or actually start making good profits. So I really wanted to get this video out. It's very, very simple. The steps are very simple. So I really hope that people find this video so that they can be put on the right. So yeah, that's why I wanted to put this video. If you want me to, I will leave this document that you see. I'll probably pop it up here, a screenshot or something of this full document of the steps. I mean, you can go back on my YouTube video. So if you're being lazy, just go back on my YouTube video. I'll leave a full screenshot of the 6 steps now. And then with that, you can use that to help you guys trade. To help you guys follow the steps. And yeah, with that being said, guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.